Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix call recording not showing on your iPhone iOS 18. To enable the call recording feature, you need to have the iOS 18.1 Beta 5. But if you don't have here on your iPhone, what you can do is open up your Safari browser. So here, you just have to go to the website named developer.apple.com, as you can see here. And then once you're here on the homepage, tap on the two lines at the top left-hand corner and then tap on account. And then from here, you just have to sign in with the Apple developer. So sign in with your Apple account. So use passkey. And then once done, you now go to the next page. You can basically read all of the legal agreement between the Apple and your account. And once done, check the box right here, and you can just check yes or no if you want to receive some of the announcements. Tap on submit. Now on the next page, you just have to tap on this enroll today to join the Apple Developer Program to enable the iOS 18.1 Beta 5. And once you complete all the details right here, so all the information you have to input here. And once you've done, go back to the settings and then scroll down, go to general, and here go to software update. And then you just have to wait for a few seconds here. And then here, as you can see, you go to beta updates and enable this iOS 18 developer beta. And once you've done, go back here, you will find the 18.1 beta 5 which you need to update. So you just have to wait for a few seconds here, checking your update. And here, as you can see, the iOS 18.1 beta 5. So it's actually 6.65 gig. So what we can do, we just need to tap on update now button. And once you've done updating your iPhone iOS 18, then you will get the call recording feature on your device. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.